Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of premium tech and audio gear. Today, we're taking a closer look at what I believe is the best open-back audiophile over-ear headphones on the market right now. The Sennheiser HD 599 Special Edition in black. Let's get right into it. The Sennheiser HD 599 SE isn't just a pair of headphones. It's an entry ticket into high-fidelity audio. With its open-back design, these headphones deliver an expansive, natural, and immersive soundstage that's perfect for serious listening. Whether you're dissecting the nuances of a classical symphony or diving into the micro-details of a high-bitrate jazz recording. From the moment you unbox the HD 599 SE, you'll notice Sennheiser's attention to detail. The sleek matte black finish with understated accents gives it a premium yet minimalistic look. It's built for long listening sessions, and you can tell, the padded headband, velour ear cushions, and lightweight frame make it feel almost like you're not wearing anything at all. Now, let's talk performance. The HD 599 SE uses Sennheiser's proprietary transducer technology, which results in stunning clarity and well-balanced sound across all frequencies. The lows are present but never bloated, the mids are incredibly clean, especially on vocals and acoustic instruments. And the highs have that crisp definition that audiophiles crave, without ever getting piercing or harsh. Because of its open-back nature, sound flows freely in and out of the ear cups. This allows for a much more realistic listening experience, akin to listening to live music in a room rather than inside your head. So whether you're plugged into a hi-fi setup or just chilling with a lossless playlist on your phone, you're covered. What really sets these headphones apart is their value. While they sit in the sub-premium price range, they offer audio performance that easily punches above their weight. In fact, many people consider these a stepping stone into the world of true high-end audio. But that's because they're built with a singular purpose: to deliver pure, uncompromised sound. No digital filters, no sound enhancements, just analog clarity, as the artist intended. So, if you're someone who values audio purity, comfort for extended sessions, and you're ready to take your listening experience to the next level, the Sennheiser HD 599 SE is the pair to get. That wraps up our deep dive today on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And let us know in the comments what gear you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.